Calibrating the Sims 4 installation loop can help resolve issues with the game not launching or getting stuck during installation. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Update Origin. Open the Origin client and check for any available updates. Keeping Origin up to date can resolve compatibility issues that may cause installation loops. Step 3. Repair game files. In the Origin client, locate The Sims 4 in your game library. Right-click on the game title and select Repair. This process will check for and fix any corrupted game files that could be causing the installation loop. Step 4. Clear cache. Navigate to the Origin cache folder on your computer. Delete the contents of the cache folder, which can help eliminate any corrupted files that may interfere with the installation process. Step 5. Reinstall The Sims 4. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling The Sims 4. This can help reset any settings or files that may be causing the installation loop. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate the installation loop and get back to enjoying The Sims 4. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.